What's up, people? So we're going to do Tuesday, the 5th. Tuesday, the 5th for the S&P 500's range has to do with a range bound. Some sort of range is highlighted. There's a wild swings and or significant drop in the pre-market, a move to the upside right around the open, and an opportunity in the first half hour to open a position in both directions, either a straddle or a strangle, depending on when we get there what the present moment has in store for us. But around 10 o'clock, there's a move to the upside. Around 10 o'clock, there's a big move to the upside from like roughly 10 to 11 o'clock. And then it looks to me like we have some rotation. We reach like the first, like we reach the next resistance becomes support, but maybe it doesn't last. We take a drop. And then there's some, that drop is roughly around 12 o'clock with a pop up in there as well. So between 12 and let's say 2 o'clock ish, 2:30 ish, at the latest 3 o'clock. But between that last bit of the day, the volatility is gonna basically like increase and become more wild. We'll reach a low for the day. First, it'll be a low for the day, roughly around like 10:30 ish, 10:40 ish, and then we're gonna have what looks like two highs somewhere in this wild swinging at the end of the day. There'll be a notable trough around like there'll be a notable trough somewhere within like it might be two, but somewhere within the 1:30 to 3 o'clock hour. There should be 1 to 2 troughs there that are notable, but there's also going to be a high right around 2 o'clock and another high towards the close. The last hour of trading, there's going to be a big move to the upside. Everything's going to look so grim, and then there'll be a big move to the upside. And then there's some price fluctuations right at the close with a bearish kind of momentum turns into a bigger decline in the post market. So it looks like the behavior at the high is going to be a sudden sharp move to the upside, but through a support, through a resistance level, which then becomes support, but we don't hold. That support doesn't hold, and we break through it almost like it's a pyramid kind of shape, or an A, if you will, with that price level being aligned through the A. The behavior around the low, it's going to be formed within a so it'll be like this. The day will go like this. Something like that. The low is going to be basically like a sideways S. It'll form with a sideways S will form at the low, or the low will be a part of that sideways S, if you will. But again, we're going to be roughly range bound. It's good. The ranges are going to be highlighted on this Tuesday to come. The sneak preview card for the following day of Wednesday, the 6th, is a courageous rally out of a decline. So we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at that next. Enjoy, guys.